If you're constantly battling clutter, overflowing cabinets, and not enough storage space, this video is for you. We've found some incredibly useful Amazon products designed to help organize your home, maximize storage, and make small spaces work much harder. From clever kitchen solutions to closet upgrades and hidden storage hacks, these finds can make a surprising difference. All the links are down below. Now let's take a look at the lineup. Starting off with this over-door organizer, a smart storage solution that instantly creates extra space without requiring any drilling or permanent installation. The multi-tier design takes advantage of unused door space to store pantry items, cleaning supplies, toiletries, snacks, kitchen essentials, or everyday household products. By utilizing vertical storage, it helps reduce clutter on shelves and countertops while keeping frequently used items within easy reach. It's especially useful for tiny homes where every inch matters, and this usually sells for around $25 to $60. Moving into one of the most overlooked storage areas with this under-sink organizer, it helps transform messy cabinet space into a more functional and accessible storage zone. The multi-level design creates separate sections for cleaning products, toiletries, dishwashing supplies, and household essentials while making better use of vertical space. Pull-out shelves provide easier access to items stored in the back, helping reduce clutter and wasted room. It's a practical upgrade for kitchens and bathrooms alike, and this usually sells for around $20 to $50. Now helping maximize closet capacity with this clothes hangers, it is designed to store multiple garments while taking up significantly less hanging space. The cascading design allows several shirts, jackets, blouses, or lightweight clothing items to be organized vertically instead of spreading across the closet rod. This creates a cleaner appearance while freeing up room for additional clothing. It's particularly useful in apartments, dorm rooms, and compact closets where storage space is limited, and this usually sells for around $10 to $25. Adding useful storage right where it's needed, these magnetic shelves for washing machines attach securely to the side of compatible appliances to create convenient space for laundry essentials. The sturdy magnetic design can hold detergent bottles, dryer sheets, stain removers, cleaning products, and other frequently used supplies while keeping them easily accessible. By moving items off shelves and countertops, it helps create a more organized laundry area without requiring additional floor space, and this usually sells for around $15 to $40. And making deep cabinets far easier to use, this pull-out cabinet organizer helps bring hidden items within reach instead of leaving them buried in the back. The sliding shelf design allows cookware, food containers, kitchen appliances, pantry items, and household supplies to glide out smoothly for quick access. Adjustable sizing helps fit a variety of cabinet layouts while maximizing available storage space. It's one of those upgrades that improves both organization and everyday convenience, and this usually sells for around $30 to $80. Now turning to seasonal storage, these vacuum storage bags are designed to dramatically reduce the amount of space bulky items take up around the home. By removing excess air with a vacuum, they compress comforters, blankets, pillows, winter clothing, and extra bedding into a much smaller footprint. This makes closets, storage bins, and under bed areas far more efficient, while also helping protect contents from dust, moisture, and odors. They're especially useful when storage space is limited, and this usually sells for around $15 to $35. Now bringing order to a commonly cluttered kitchen drawer, this 4-in-1 foil and plastic wrap organizer keeps food storage essentials neatly arranged and easy to access. Designed to hold plastic wrap, aluminum foil, parchment paper, and storage bags in one compact unit, it helps eliminate messy boxes and wasted drawer space. Integrated cutters make dispensing materials quicker and more precise while reducing frustration during meal preparation. It's a simple way to create a cleaner kitchen setup, and this usually sells for around $20 to $45. Next up is this shoe organizer for closet, a practical solution for maximizing footwear storage without taking over valuable floor space. The multi-compartment design keeps shoes neatly separated, easier to find, and better protected from dust and damage. Beyond footwear, it can also be used for accessories, folded clothing, handbags, or other household items that need dedicated storage. By creating a more organized closet layout, it helps make small living spaces feel less crowded, and this usually sells for around $20 to $50. And taking advantage of unused appliance space, this magnetic shelf for fridge adds convenient storage without requiring any installation tools. The strong magnetic backing attaches securely to the side of most refrigerators, creating room for spices, paper towels, condiments, kitchen accessories, and everyday essentials. It helps free up cabinet and countertop space while keeping frequently used items within easy reach. For smaller kitchens where storage is always at a premium, it's a surprisingly effective upgrade, and this usually sells for around $15 to $35. Now let's talk about these compression packing cubes. It helps organize clothing while significantly reducing the space garments occupy. The zippered compression system squeezes excess air from packed items, allowing more clothes to fit into suitcases, drawers, closets, or storage bins. Separate compartments also make it easier to sort outfits, accessories, and essentials while keeping everything tidy. They're ideal for travelers and anyone looking to maximize limited storage space at home, and this usually sells for around $20 to $45. And if you're enjoying the list so far, don't forget that all the products we've covered are linked down below in the description. Now, making use of overlooked vertical surfaces, this adhesive cabinet organizer adds instant storage without requiring tools or complicated installation. Designed to mount inside cabinet doors, pantry doors, under sinks, or on other smooth surfaces, it provides convenient space for container lids, wraps, cleaning products, toiletries, and household essentials. The open design keeps frequently used items visible and accessible while helping free up valuable shelf space. It's a simple upgrade that can make cabinets feel far more organized, and this usually sells for around $15 to $35. Now helping bring order to linen closets, these bed sheet organizers make it easier to store and identify bedding sets without creating messy piles. The structured design keeps fitted sheets, flat sheets, and pillowcases grouped together while maintaining a cleaner appearance on shelves. Built-in labels help quickly identify different sizes, reducing the time spent searching for matching sets. They're especially useful in small homes where organized storage can make a noticeable difference, and this usually sells for around $15 to $40. And creating a more organized refrigerator layout, this soda can organizer keeps beverage cans neatly arranged while making better use of available shelf space. The gravity-fed design automatically moves cans forward as one is removed, keeping the next drink within easy reach. A protective lid allows additional items to be stacked on top, maximizing vertical storage inside the fridge or pantry. It's a practical way to reduce clutter while improving accessibility, and this usually sells for around $20 to $40. Enhancing both functionality and countertop organization, this stainless steel dish drying rack provides a dedicated space for dishes, bowls, cups, utensils, and cookware to air dry efficiently. The durable stainless steel construction helps resist rust while maintaining a clean and modern appearance. Multiple compartments keep kitchen items separated and organized, reducing countertop mess after washing. For smaller kitchens where every bit of workspace matters, it can be a valuable addition, and this usually sells for around $25 to $60. Combining multiple kitchen tools into one space-saving package, this 9-piece compact food preparation set helps reduce drawer clutter while keeping essential prep tools within reach. The nesting design includes mixing bowls, measuring cups, a colander, sieve, and additional food preparation accessories that stack neatly together when not in use. This compact arrangement saves valuable cabinet space while still providing versatility for everyday cooking tasks. It's ideal for apartments and smaller kitchens, and this usually sells for around $20 to $45. And bringing better organization to crowded spice cabinets, these spice gripper clips securely hold spice containers in a neat and accessible arrangement. The flexible clips can be mounted inside cabinet doors, pantry walls, or other convenient locations, helping free up shelf space while making labels easier to see. Instead of digging through cluttered shelves, spices remain organized and readily available when cooking. It's a surprisingly effective storage upgrade for compact kitchens, and this usually sells for around $10 to $25. For keeping bathroom counters cleaner and less cluttered, this hairdryer holder provides a dedicated place to store styling tools when they're not being used. The wall-mounted design helps free up drawer and countertop space while keeping hairdryers easily accessible during daily routines. Many versions also include space for cords and additional hair care accessories, helping create a tidier bathroom setup. It's a small organizational upgrade that can make a noticeable difference, and this usually sells for around $10 to $30. Adding protection and organization to kitchen storage, this 2-layer coffee mug storage box is designed to safely store multiple mugs while minimizing the risk of chips, scratches, and breakage. The divided interior keeps each mug separated, while the stackable design helps utilize cabinet, pantry, or storage shelf space more efficiently. It's particularly useful for seasonal mugs, collectibles, or households with limited cabinet space. Plus, it keeps everything neatly organized and easy to access, and this usually sells for around $20 to $40. Making food preparation faster and more convenient, this mini cup fruit slicer quickly cuts grapes, strawberries, cherry tomatoes, and other small fruits into evenly sized pieces with minimal effort. The compact design helps simplify snack preparation while reducing mess in the kitchen. It's especially useful for preparing lunches, fruit bowls, or family meals more efficiently. Despite its small size, it can save time during everyday food prep tasks, and this usually sells for around $8 to $20. And wrapping up with a simple but practical kitchen accessory, these chef finger guards help improve safety while slicing fruits, vegetables, herbs, and other ingredients. The protective shield sits comfortably over the fingers and acts as a barrier between the hand and knife blade, helping reduce the risk of accidental cuts. It's particularly useful for beginners, older adults, or anyone working with sharp kitchen knives. Small, affordable, and easy to use, it's a handy addition to any kitchen, and this usually sells for around $5 to $15. That's all for today. Before you go, don't forget that every product featured today is linked down below if you'd like to learn more or check current pricing. And if you enjoy discovering clever Amazon finds that help save space, stay organized, and make daily life easier, make sure to keep an eye on the channel because we've got plenty more coming soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.